Hello everybody, I hope you're doing fine and I hope your days are going really good, and I also hope that you're maintaining yourself in this twin journey, or if you choose not to be on the journey as well, you're maintaining yourself, which is the most important thing. Maintaining yourself physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. So today morning, as I was waking up, at around 7 a.m. to around 9 a.m., when I finally woke up, I was getting this channeling. I was getting this channeling, and the same I am relaying for all of you. So how it was coming across this time, that it was not any kind of a typical clairaudience scenario where I hear. It was actually a clairvoyance which was going on. Clairvoyance is when you see the whole scene like a film being played out for you, so that was the case today. So I will relay to you as it was given to me, and I hope you can find meaning out of it, and I hope you can apply it to whoever it applies to. Thank you so much. So I will begin with the channeling, with the clairvoyance right away. So what I was being shown was that the divine masculine was approaching the divine feminine. He had come to meet her, or he had planned some kind of a meetup, or they had mutually decided to meet up. Now this also gives me a hint that like the unions and the stepping ups have been described, for those with whom it resonates. They are also going to happen soon, because I saw both the masculine and the feminine in the same energy sphere, in the same setting, in the same physical setting, in this clairvoyance, in this film. So he had come. It looked like he had returned, he had come. It didn't look like the feminine had contacted him for a meetup. It seemed like he had contacted the feminine in a very nice and formal way. With formal, I don't mean that it was emotionless. It was a meeting which was mutually like agreed upon. The masculine had approached, it seemed, and the feminine had accepted to meet. Now the masculine was standing, and he was wearing a light gray colored formal suit. He was not wearing any tie or any bow tie, but he was wearing a white shirt with a very lightish gray, steel gray suit. And the feminine was shown wearing a cream or a off-white colored dress with floral pattern on it, and both of them appeared to be white in race and ethnicity. The female appeared to be olive skinned, could be Middle Eastern, European, Greek, Italian, and this is what was being shown to me in the physical characteristics. Both of them were nicely well maintained, had nice lean body weight. Neither were they thin nor were they obese from any angle, or even few extra pounds. They did not have it. The female was around 5'7" to 5'8" to even 5'9", 5'9" in height, and the man was around 5'10" in height. Both of them looked similar, like quite eye to eye. Their heights looked quite similar. Also the female had dirty blonde hair in big curls, not very tight curls but big curls, and the guy had blondish hair as well, with white skin. So this was the physical characteristic. And what happened was that it seemed like he had invited and the feminine had accepted. They were both meeting, but the energies in them were not like they were very happily meeting. They were meeting. So union was there, or contact was there, you can say, or a mini union was there. But what was coming across was that the masculine had more smoother energies, more willing energies, but the feminine did not have as much willing energies on her face, because she was holding on to past resentments. And so be the case, because the feminine has gone through a lot, so she was in those energies that, okay, let me see what he has to bring on to the table right now, because he has extended this invite and I've accepted, and I've gone to meet him at a certain setting. It looked like a outdoor restaurant with lot of vines and flowers. Vines means those tendril plants, the vines, what we call, not the drinking wine. So there were a lot of vines and flowers growing. It was a roadside cafe kind of a thing, where we have a lot of them in Europe, specifically. Looks like a European setting or an American setting, with those kind of people. So this was the case of their energies while they were speaking. Now what was happening in their speech was that the feminine asked the masculine the very important question that has been on her mind all the time. Is she asked him, so why did you go for the karmic, or why were you with the karmic, or why were you with her? She was asking this thing with a very stern face, with a very hurt interior. So be it, because it is the truth. So she was asking him, she was very polite. She was asking him, so why her? Why did you do that? Why did you, she did not say that, why did you pierce my heart? It was so bad for me, it was so hurtful. But she was plainly asking, she was letting go of all the past emotions, and she did not want to make them a block, for the conversation. But she was plainly asking that, yes, I have a right to ask him that now, since he has invited me. I have the right to ask. And she was asking, why her, why the karmic partner came, why you were with her. So he was telling her that she used to work at this business, and she was running it quite well. So he was trying to tell her that there was some kind of a practice. Now it could be anything. It could be lawyers practicing, it could be physicians practicing, it could be a construction company. She said that she was managing the front desk, so to say. It appeared like she was not a receptionist or something, but she was managing the whole, you have a manager in these kind of practices. He said that she was the manager of that practice, and she was doing it quite well. And that is what I wanted at that time. These two sentences he said. First sentence, he described that she was working at this practice and she was doing quite well, she was managing the practice quite well. So at that time he felt that the karmic partner was a very go-getter kind of a personality, and she could manage life. And he was at a point where he thought that his managing skills or his adulting skills are not that good. And he saw this attractive person who was managing the front desk, or managing the front face. She was the front face of it all. And he was like, she was doing it quite well. And yes, that is what I wanted at that time. He was very obnoxious while he said that. He had very obnoxious energy when he said that. Yes, that is what I wanted. It was like he was throwing it at the divine feminine's face, that yes, this is what I wanted. And she had something, she was something. She was like some hot property, she was this, she was that. So he was like, yes, that is what I wanted at that time. He said, this is what he said at the time. And the feminine, she, when she heard this, it really kind of gave her energies, where she wanted to blast a volcano. That is what was being shown to me. She really wanted to blast a volcano, and she just told him that I just want to go from here, and I just want to go from here. She didn't say anything else. And she said she uttered some abuses, she said some words to him, and something like, how the hell can you even tell me all this, or whatever, or something like this, something abusive. And she just went from there. She left, and before leaving she said, I want to break up with you. I want to break up with you, and I don't want to have nothing to do with you. This is what she said. After saying that, how could you just tell me this, and uttering some abuses. I heard 2 or 3 abuses. I didn't actually hear the abusive words, but they were abusive words. And then she said, then the emphasis was on the breaking up. The feminine was breaking up with the divine masculine twin at this point, and she just just hearing about that karmic partner, how he described her in those two sentences, that she was at that practice and she was managing it well, and yes, that is what I wanted at that time. These triggered something so badly in the divine feminine that she just told him, I want to break up with you, and I never want to look back, I never want to have to do anything with you. And she just walked from there, she stomped her feet and she walked from there, and she pledged to herself that I'm never going to speak to this man again, I'm never going to be in his energy sphere, and come what may, I'm never going to be with him again, be with him together, or have the dream unfold which I was so much in wanting to be in alignment with, wanting to have the dream of union unfold. She said, no, 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 it's done, I'm moving on, I have broken up with this man. So after she moves away, what happens is, the divine masculine, he thought, oh my god, this has been a premature breakup. I was just going to tell her, if she stayed there, I was just going to tell her that that was what I was back then, and I'm truly depicting it to you, that yes, I thought something was attractive in her, and yes, I wanted to be with her, and I was saying this very obnoxiously, but what I had come here for, what I had invited the divine feminine here for, was that I wanted to tell her that that is over now, and I'm ready for you. Whatever happened happened, but I can't lie to you that I didn't like her, or she was bad, or whatever. She was what she was, I was with her. And he relayed that in a very raw fashion, which the feminine did not take very nicely, and she broke off and she went ahead and she left the place, left the restaurant. But there he was standing thinking that this is a premature breakup, and if she would have listened to me fully, she would have realized why I have called her here. I've called her here for union, I've called her here that this was the case, but now this is the case. I have called you. He was saying, why did I call you if I still wanted to be in that energy? I was just describing how I felt. If I still wanted to be in that energy, I wouldn't have called you here to discuss something. He said, I wanted to give her the world, I wanted to give her the union, I wanted to give what was due for us from so long, because now I'm done with all the addictions, all the lessons, all the karmic partners, the engagement, marriage. I have even finished the divorce and everything, and this is what I wanted to give to her. And my divine feminine is still in those energies where she's holding so much anger, resentment and everything. Obviously it is not unjustified to hold anger, resentment and everything, but he was feeling that maybe by now, because he has risen up, she might have also forgiven and risen up, and he was going to offer this to her, which she never even let him speak, and she prematurely made the breakup and she went away. So he kept saying the words premature breakup, premature breakup, premature breakup. Now he was also standing there thinking, what a foolish thing has happened here, but it has happened. So he is like, he's dumbfounded, he doesn't know what to do anymore. He is not in that mindset where he will push a lot, like he will run after the feminine and do it again. But let's see what he does again now and what channelings come to me. For right now, he's just standing there thinking this is a premature breakup and oh my god, what happened. And he also has a little bit of anger against the divine feminine for having stomped off from the restaurant, because he had come there to offer all his love, materialism, and put it all on the table, but he was still in very obnoxious energies, very proudy, very egoistic still, so he also has a work to do. He also has a lot of work to do in maybe 1 or 2 weeks, before he presents himself again, I believe, because he is ready. He is ready for the presenting, but the feminine was not ready. This shows the feminine was not ready to receive what he had, and both of them still need higher vibration to make this contact again and to actually explain union to each other the way they want it with each other right now. So folks, union is coming. He is stepping forward and he has stepped forward, but the feminine still has some clearings to do. And I believe if the feminine has clearings to do, even the masculine has to release his egoism and obnoxious energies before he becomes more humble and then presents the same offer to her. So I hope you found this channeling valuable. For personal readings, they are in the description bar below. Go to services available video of mine on YouTube and find all the info there, and go to my website which is mentioned on the services available video, and go there and self-pay, self-book, have a self-service and send me the story thus far. That is all you need to do. As simple as ABC. Bye bye, take care, have a fun day, keep believing and stay blessed, and